Welcome. This is Waec 2018 Comments Past Question. Question number 48 says the time allowed for loading and uploading a ship at the harbor is dash. That is the place of loading, place of loading and uploading. Okay. Then A, the mortgage, B, tenor, C, lay this, D, dead freight. The correct option here is lay this. That is the time, the period. I want to talk of lay this. Lay this is the period. Could be period or time. Time allows to load and upload or unload a ship. So that is what we mean by lay this. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.